I've managed to escape the chili version and the haircut version, but third time you've got me.
Joe, first of all, thank you so much for taking the time to come and see us here at the FF Tattoo Studio here at Sibos Frankfurt 2025.
Kind of excited to be here. I think my kids will be really surprised that I come home with the tattoo.
Can you just talk us through, first of all, what Project Nemo is, but also why you're doing it?
I'm not trying to build a $1 trillion business, but I'm trying to have a $1 trillion impact. And I do live and breathe Project Nemo. So in that regard, let me wear the stamp because I'm pretty much living it anyway. So what Project Nemo is, it's a call to action for our entire industry to say, actually, we've missed a trick when it comes to the digital accessibility of all of our products and services. As you know, I've been part of the ecosystem for over a decade. We've built what we think of as the future of financial services with all of our new challenger banks and buy now, pay later and different products and services. But have we been thinking about or doing anything about digital accessibility? Or as a whole industry, do we not really have the knowledge and understanding of what disability inclusion is and how that pertains to digital products and services? We need to make all of our products and services accessible to everyone. What I came to realise was that, to start with, I was holding the mic for diversity inclusion, so I was one of the few female CEOs. And then I came to realise that we were all addressing diversity and inclusion in the same order. So gender first, then ethnicity, then LGBTQ. So disability was at best fourth everywhere. Because it's at best fourth, then it's parked and we'll deal with that later. And because we've got an absolute sort of lack of disabled representation within our industry, it's because of that we completely had this oversight on digital accessibility.
Where do you think your want to help people comes from?
I don't know where the start point is, but it's been the most rewarding project I have ever done, and the people that are coming up to me either in person or online to say, oh my God, you've actually really made a difference.
What's the long-term goals? What's on the agenda then over the next few years that you want to see happen?
Most of disability inclusion and accessibility is not about special products and services. It's just making our existing stuff accessible. So the long term is to keep the conversation live at conferences, at events, in newsletters, so that we can continue to progress, build confidence on accessibility. It's a long game, and one of the things that we're doing to support that is we're creating a new resource hub that's going to have all of our content and lots of partner content of case studies and organisations that can help you on your accessibility journey. Financial services operate in a very black and white way, as in you've either got full mental capacity or you've got a lasting power of attorney and somebody else can manage your affairs for you. Or what if you want to be able to do something? There's a huge grey area in the middle. And the Mental Capacity Act fully recognises that there's a whole spectrum of capability, and the mandate upon us should be that we're enabling people to be as independent as they can be. And so that's what we're exploring, trying to support that concept within financial services.
Thank you for taking the time to come and speak with us today, and look at that, that's absolutely brilliant.
And thank you for this, I'm going to be wearing it with pride.